Long before the United States existed, this vast land was home to ancient civilizations, tribes like the Navajo, Apache, Cherokee, and Iroquois. They lived in harmony with nature, following the rhythm of rivers, mountains, and forests. Their stories traveled through generations, carried by firelight and whispered winds. This is where America truly began, not with cities or flags, but with people deeply connected to the land they cherished. In the late 1400s, everything changed when European explorers crossed the Atlantic Ocean. They came with ambition, curiosity, and dreams of a new world. When their ships touched the American shores, two completely different worlds met, forever altering the fate of the land. Some explorers sought wealth, others freedom, but their arrival marked the beginning of a powerful transformation. By the early 1600s, the first settlements were born. Jamestown struggled through hunger and disease, Plymouth survived brutal winters, and New Amsterdam rose slowly along the coast. These wooden towns were fragile, but hope kept them alive. Each settlement fought challenges, harsh climates, uncertain harvests, and fragile alliances. Yet from these beginnings, the roots of a future nation slowly took shape. As decades passed, tensions grew between the American colonies and the British Crown. Taxes felt unfair, voices were ignored, and people wanted control over their own lives. Protests erupted, resistance formed, and the air grew electric with rebellion. A storm was coming. In 1775, the first gunshots at Lexington and Concord ignited the American Revolution. The colonies united under the leadership of George Washington, facing the world's most powerful empire with almost nothing. Little money, little training, but huge determination. Through freezing winters, desperate battles, and moments when hope seemed lost, the desire for freedom kept the fight alive. And in 1783, against all odds, victory came. A new nation stood on the world stage.